Right, I don't know why I've waited until it's nearly December and it's 3 degrees outside, but I'm here now, so I'm just going to get on with it. Right, first thing with the splitter that I've bought is from Maxton Design, and the first thing when you go on their website, if you're buying yours from there, the Diffuser, is they've got a pre-facelift and a post-facelift section from 2016 when they changed the design. They all fit all models of the Juliet. It doesn't matter, don't be put off and think if you've got a pre-2016 plate, you can't buy the post-facelift stuff like I'm doing. With the front, I've seen a lot of people replicating the design, either having their bumper sprayed, so the black section is the same as the newer ones, and either buying a post-facelift honeycomb grille or doing one themselves. And unless you've seen enough of these about and on the roads, or you've got one, you really won't be able to tell it looks just as nice. You know how Alfa Romeo called it a facelift when they did the bare minimum to the exterior? I don't know. It's like my missus walking out the door telling me she's off to get a facelift, walks back in 5 minutes late with a bit of eyeliner on. Yeah, still ugly. You ain't really done anything. Yeah. And I'm going to prove that today because mine is a 63 plate pre-facelift and I've bought the post-facelift diffuser. Now to get this one off, hopefully you can see. Oh, let me switch. It's a lot behind me. You've got 4 8mm bolts starting from here to the other side, and on the either end are Phillips, and they're the only fixings. So we're going to go ahead and take those off first. Now once you've got all the fixings off, start pulling, because they're the only screwed fixings on here, and then these are the like tabs I was on about. So middle is easiest to start. But it's off now. It's even easier what we're doing. With the next one, I'm gonna go along, clean this, and then get the new one ready. Right, we've cleaned it up. I've got the diffuser out. I'm gonna leave the protective film on while I offer it up. With this one, it hasn't got the clips on top or the little tabs. They are just completely flat little tabs. Exact fit, same as the one that came off. Obviously you haven't got the clips on top, but if I try and pull it square, you know, it's not going anywhere. It's the bottom that needs fixing. The top, you know, it's not going anywhere at all, especially once we get the screws back in. There's no holes drilled in this, but if you come underneath the car, you can still see the holes for the bolts. So all I'm going to do is push it in to keep it dead tight. Same for the Phillips on the ends, and I'm going to drill 6 holes for the 4 8mm head bolts and the 2 Phillips on the ends. Right, to measure up the holes to go in the diffuser, before putting the diffuser on, from the edge here to the centre of the hole, I measured 20mm, and then all I did was put some masking tape over so I can actually mark the hole, push this, hold the tape on the edge, where I measured from, push this till it matches, measure 20mm back, and then I laid my head dead under centre and eyed it up sideways. So go along, do that on all 6. With the 4, the end ones for the Phillips, they're very easy to get. You can literally pry that down and eye it. It's pretty close to the edge anyway. But with the 4 8mm bolts that came off the original, they've got quite a big washer on them already. So you'll be able to go 2-3mm past the original size hole. Even if you do get this a little bit off, don't worry about it, you still got plenty of play. So I'm going to go ahead, take the diffuser off now, drill all those holes, and we should be somewhere near. Once you've got your holes cut, I'm just going to peel back the protective layer from around the holes, just to get the bolts in. Around the tabs along the top where you're not going to be able to get to it once it's on. And that's that. Try and get the light in a decent place so you can really pleased with that. Like I said, this is the post facelift and this is a 63 plate, so pre facelift, and it fits perfect. Now I just need the little splitters to go in here. I'm half and half on them, but I'm definitely gonna need some big exhaust tips now, 100%. Front splitter, spoiler cap, I think they do as well, and side splitters. But for now, I think what makes the biggest difference is this rear diffuser. So that's that for today. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.